in Henan Prime and Talia's having her spaghetti. We're waiting for my siblings. Uy, bago Bumalik na siya. Yeah. Ayan din.
Muna na ako. Tapos nakaganon pa.
So, ayan ang mga batang hindi pinapayagan ng iPad. Yan ang ginagawa, nangyayari, nawawalan ng gana. Say yes.
Pagod na, wala pa sila.
Guys, so this is our Henan room. I forgot what it's called. But we're here in Henan Prime and excuse my looks because it's so hot today. So we just got one queen for me and Papa. No, one single for Atalia. Show your face.
No.
Okay. One single, one queen, and small table, and then my TV. Can you come closer?
Okay.
That's too close. This is like the dresser, and then, you know, the closet, and then a full-size mirror here. And this is the bathroom and restroom. Oops. There's like a tub and a shower,
Toilet.
and one sink. And then let's show the pool. This is what it looks like outside. It's a common pool. We're gonna get ready for the beach. Sino yan? Sino nag-draw niyan?
Papa!
Yan.
So they're playing tennis. Ewan ko kung anong tawag dyan. Tennis beach. While sila Atalia nandun, and si Alex, at ako, papahingi lang. Puntahan natin sa beach yung dalawang bata. Kasi kanina pa sila nandun. Hi guys! What are you guys doing? Not hot? Okay, see you later, bye! Excited akong malaman mamaya kung ilan na yung steps ko. Kasi this ring tracks my steps. Since nasa beach tayo, medyo mahaba-habang mga lakaran. We'll see kung ilan na yung inabot na steps ko today. How's the tennis?
Naman. It's so hot.
Yan. Oh, sige. Sige. Max naman. Ganda niya talaga. Oh, kaya pala ito ang ginagamit. Hours application. Yan. Ganyan yan. 3-finger application. Ay, bakit 3? Ang laki naman. Para cover. 2 lang. And dapat every 2 hours. Ay, para na siyang may foundation. Aray.
This is the life. Boracay life.
Bayan, may paganyan-ganyan pa. Talia!
Hi. Hi.
There must be something in the water. Sipping gin and juice. You'll be funny with eyes. You'll be falling in love.
came from dinner and look what I saw. Thank you, Hanan, for the sweets. So sweet as always.
Hindi ka di ba?
Pangit mo. Kaya, it's our second day. I only had sea salt, pero pwede naman ako sa ano, di ba? 1 cup a day. 1 cup of coffee a day. Pero ito, nakipag-share lang ako dito, so hindi ito 1 cup. Medyo full pa kami ni Pino kasi nag-Jonah shake din kami. So baka later pa kami kasi.
Kahit na mo, di ba?
We're here at Kongbu in Boracay, Japanese bistro for our dinner. Para mag-cute. I am so hungry. The kids are playing Flip 7. Wow.
Hindi naman sense.
Pero kailangan pa rin may laman siya.
Nat, can you tell us your order?
Tsunagi doon.
Naki doon.
What's unagi daw?
It's a salt butter.
Sarap ba, Sharap?
Yes, of course. Nom, nom, nom.
It's my order. Hey.
Sabihan mo.
Sashimi.
It's their first time eating Chori Burger. Sarap? Pwede na.
Yes.
How is it? Chori Burger. Ikaw?
Dapat hindi ko Lasa ano?
Lasang Chori Burger. We're gonna go parasailing. Sila lang pala. The gang is gonna go parasailing. Pero kami, pass na. Scared ka ba? Scared ka parasailing? Wag na lang. Okay. So kaming tatlo hindi. Pero the rest will go parasail. That's so big! Good luck, guys!
Good luck, guys!
So, pwede ang tatlo, pwedeng dalawa. Make sure it's secured. And you know what you're doing. Next, let's go!
Congrats! Sarap!
Kamusta? Kamusta?
Sarap! Sarap! Hindi siya nakakatawa. Hindi siya nakakatawa.
Sarap?
Parang ano lang.
Hindi kayo nahilo or something?
Wala. Parang chill.
Walang scary feeling?
Wala.
Oh guys! Good luck! Good luck, Alex!
Kairan mo.
Oh, balik kayo ah!
Pwede, pero depende.
Hi, Princess! Hi! Ayan, ang mga trentahe, nagpalipat sa loob. Perfect. They don't know how to have fun. What's the real fun out there?
Sa tenga. Sarap yung ganyan lang.
Inom lang kayo.
Hindi nakatupat sa tenga mo yung... Yeah.
It's our last day here in Bora and this is our game, last game in the Kubo. Kita nyo naman guys ha, may tayo ha, may proof tayo kung ano ako. Yan, president. Okay, let's go.
Guys, Hitler, thumbs up ka lang, don't open your eyes.
Papakita ko sa inyo guys ha, kung ano yung laman guys ha. Oh, kita nyo yan guys ha!
Everyone, close your eyes.
Close your eyes ha.
Princess.
Okay, let's go.
Close your... So, ibig sabihin may dalawang confused na liberal.
Naman, pasis ng mga to.
Paano yun nalaman si Hitler siya?
Kasi hindi napaka-obvious ng pwesto niya kanina sa akin.
Kaya na pa ako na.
Oh, sino pa? Sino pa?
Tapos,
Sino pa sis? Oh,